News coming in from Delhi, in which the hospital that caught fire, in which two people, including the owner of the hospital, have now been arrested. The doctor on duty during the fire incident has now finally been arrested. The newborn baby care hospital in Vivek Vihar was engulfed in fire, killing 7 children, while 12 were rescued. The Delhi fire chief has gone on to say the hospital had no fire safety NOC. The license had expired and the doctor on duty was not qualified to treat the newborns. No emergency exits were there. They were among the several lapses that have now surfaced after that massive blaze that took place at the Children's Hospital in the national capital, killing 7 newborn babies. The police evacuated 12 from the building after receiving that call, but they could only seven babies have died in that incident. We have Vedant joining us. Vedant, take us through the lapses, the security lapses that are now being reported as far as that hospital, the so-called hospital, which had no security measures apparently in place.
That's right, Divya. You put it well. It is a so-called hospital, certainly, because it was a 12-bed infant care center, a 5-bed infant care center, in fact, and 12 infants were admitted. Let me show you visuals from outside the hospital here in Vivek Vihar. The kind of absolute destruction that we saw here, the entire baby care center almost burned to ashes. As you rightly pointed out, 7 infants have been killed. And just look at the kind of destruction that the fire caused. The massive blaze. There were multiple fire tenders at the spot battling the blaze. And remember, now the initial probe report that has emerged now, that shows that there were multiple lapses, including the fact that there were no qualified doctors, there were no fire extinguishers, there weren't multiple emergency exits. So multiple lapses have emerged in this initial probe report. The chief secretary here in the national capital has also ordered a probe into the incident. A special team has been formed and that has been asked to submit a report shortly. And just look at how this particular area, which is right next to the hospital. There's an ATM right next to a hospital that was completely destroyed as well. But this childcare center, now the owner of this childcare center is a repeat offender. Multiple cases have surfaced against him, multiple past cases. A video of a nurse beating a child that was admitted to the childcare center, that has also emerged now. So a lot of lapses and questions in place. The big question is who is to be blamed, who is to be held accountable? Because remember, while the owner has been arrested, the doctor on duty has been arrested. Where does the buck really stop? Now remember, both the doctors will be produced before a court here in the national capital. Remains to be seen what happens next, because the Delhi government has also tightened its rules. The chief secretary ordering an inquiry, and this initial probe report has to be looked at very carefully, because remember, this points to the fact that the hospital not just didn't have a fire clearance, but also its certificate expired back on the 31st of March. It's been over 2 months, and the certificate has also not been renewed as far as this baby care center in East Delhi and Vivek Vihar is concerned. So multiple questions remain. Bereaved parents, grieving parents demand justice. They say that this is negligence on the part of the doctors, negligence on the part of the hospital management, and accountability needs to be fixed. The initial probe report is out. The chief secretary now ordering an inquiry. The health minister, Saurabh Bharadwaj, has also ordered an inquiry into this case. And he said, in fact, the chief minister also reiterated that those responsible will not be spared. But of course, the fact of the matter is that 7 infants have lost their lives.
Very tragic, Vedant, given the fact that, those babies were just left there with the staff of that so-called baby center. They just fled the scene. But, preliminary reports are suggesting that it was a short circuit perhaps that caused the explosion.
Well, the exact cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. Of course, it was an oxygen cylinder that apparently triggered the fire, but that is, of course, in the realm of investigation. The Delhi fire chief, of course, also saying that seems to have been the trigger. But let me show you something else as well, and if I can ask my camera person to follow me, that this particular hospital doesn't seem to be fire compliant either, because if you look at the Delhi fire safety norms, there needs to be appropriate distancing between 2 buildings. And if I can ask my camera person to keep showing you how this seems to be an extremely sort of a narrow lane and a cramped space here, and there doesn't seem to be fire compliant at all. In fact, look at those oxygen cylinders as well. They were lying like this, and it seems to be an extremely cramped space here. It is a it was a two-floor baby center. It has been completely burned down to ashes. Here you can see unprecedented scenes, and these oxygen cylinders lying here. They seem to have triggered the fire, and because this baby care center wasn't fire compliant, even a small trigger sort of led to such a massive blaze that there were multiple fire tenders on the spot, and even then, they couldn't battle the fire and save all the babies, and 7 infants lost their lives. The big question is, and if I can ask the camera person to pan and show you, that fire compliance was not something that was followed. So many questions remain. The owner of the hospital has many questions to answer. How was the hospital actually functioning without a fire certificate, without an NOC? That is a big question. And the fire chief, I interviewed him yesterday, and he said that the onus is very much on the hospital management and on the owner to obtain the fire NOC. So a lot of questions to be answered today. Both the doctors will be produced before court.
Right, Vedant, like you mentioned, there was also a case that was registered back in 2021 of this same baby care center, and that was the baby care center was accused of assaulting a baby.
That's right, Divya. That is an earlier case, not particularly pertinent as far as this particular case is concerned, though of course that points to the fact that the owner of the hospital is a repeat offender. In fact, that is a point that the probe team also needs to take cognizance of. But if you can just see here, the kind of absolute destruction that we see here. In fact, that oxygen cylinder lying there also tells you the story in a sense, because we have those visuals of that moment when the fire broke out, and that's absolutely horrifying. And can you imagine, Divya, that this was a 5-bed hospital and 12 infants were admitted to this particular baby care center. There were 12 infants inside this particular hospital, inside this child care center. So you can imagine, there could have well be 2 infants on one crib. We don't really know, because given the fact that the hospital owner is a repeat offender, there were no qualified doctors. There was a resident doctor on duty, Divya, at night. 12 infants are inside, and there was a resident doctor, 25-year-old Akash, who has now been arrested by the police. He was on duty. So why were they not qualified doctors? So all these, questions sort of point to a larger, story of negligence on the part of the hospital owner. That is really the big question, which is why the earlier cases also become relevant, because there have been cases registered against the center, not just the owner, but the center as well, that video that you were mentioning. So all of that will be taken into cognizance by the probe team.
Right, we will keep coming back to you, Vedant. Very, very tragic news when it comes to those babies who have died due to, like there was just no safety norms in place in a place that's, known to be providing help, especially to newborn babies. So very shocking as far as those details that have emerged regarding how there was no license, there was no fire exit, and there were no fire extinguishers even.